So in your computer, if you're using Windows, then you can see that in the keyboard there, this is the number lock. You press this and turn on the number lock. You enable the number lock. This is the Alt key that is located on the left side of your space bar. You must press this Alt key. You did not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 175. So and after that you can release your finger from this Alt key. So you can see that this symbol have been arrived, that is closed double angle quotation mark symbol have been arrived in your computer. So for this is the shortcut for creating the closed double angle or closed double angle quotation mark symbol. Another method is you must turn on the number lock key, and after that you press and hold this Alt key. After that you must type 0 1 8 7, and after that you can release your finger from this Alt key. If you do like that, again the same close double angle quotation mark symbol arrived. For more videos, subscribe and share with Engineers Online. Thank you.